Hey, my friend, what if I told you that you only needed 3 sales in a single month in order to generate a full-time income online? Would you like to learn how you could start generating commissions of up to $2,000 within a single day? If so, then you have come to the right video, because today I'm going to reveal the top 5 high-ticket affiliate programs that are willing to pay you what you're really worth. I mean, seriously, you don't want to waste your time on programs that are only willing to pay little Mickey Mouse commissions like these, right? Check this out. 81 sales in only $94 in earnings? Yucky. My friend, you are worth way more than that. You want to aim for freedom. And that's exactly where these affiliate programs come into play. Oh, and at the end of this video, I've got a really cool bonus for you that will allow you to 4x your commissions simply by plugging into a proven system. Hey, before we dive in, if you like these kinds of videos about affiliate marketing, growing your online business, and creating passive income online, then consider subscribing to this channel down below, and this way you will be notified whenever there is a brand new video right on this channel, right? So I'm always putting out new videos on a regular basis that will show you how to do each of these things that I mentioned. And again, if you like learning about these things, then consider subscribing down below and you'll never miss out on anything brand new. But let's actually get into the top 5 high-ticket affiliate programs in 2021 where you could earn up to $2,000 per sale, right? So the very first affiliate program in this list is a program by the name of 7K Metals, and this is a really unique affiliate program and a very interesting one, actually. This is actually more so of a network marketing company, so I guess you could say I'm cheating, but in a way, it's still the same, exact process. You got a product, you got a compensation plan, you sell the product, you get a commission, and that's pretty much how it works, right? But with 7K Metals, what's really cool about this program is you have 2 ways that you could actually make money with this. So the very first way that you could, of course, make money with this is with the actual product. Now, what's really cool about 7K Metals is they have these really cool coins that you could, of course, buy that are of course, very valuable. They're kind of, I guess you could say more rare coins. And these coins are going to be going up in value, right? So as you can see right here, you've got this Anubis 3 Oz silver coin right here. This you can buy for, $700. You've got this Baby Animals Beaver coin, Cook Island Sailing Ship. So you've got a lot of really cool coins right here. And what's really cool about this is you could either, you could buy these, you could sell them right away if you want to. You could, of course, sell them online for a higher price if you want. Or what you can do, and this is what I recommend, is you of course want to save them up, save them for the long term, and maybe hold them for a few years. And as time progresses, these coins are going to be growing in value, which is very, very beneficial because it's important that you of course diversify. You don't just rely on the U.S. dollar, and by having different forms of currency, this is a great way to, of course, build up wealth in the long term, right? So this is a really cool way where you can, of course, earn money with this exact program is with this, but also you have the affiliate program or the compensation plan, right? So the way that 7K Metals works as an affiliate program is you have these different levels that you can, of course, rank up to, right? So as you join the program and you start, recruiting members in the program, when you get 2 members, one on the left, one on the right, you get brought up to the associate level, which qualifies you for a $500 weekly paycheck, right? So you get 2 people under you, you earn some points from that, and when those members that you bring in, when they decide to buy any of these coins, you also get points for those as well, right? So when you get up to 500 points on each side, you get qualified to be an associate for this program, which allows you to earn up paychecks of up to 500 per week. And as you, of course, rank up, with more points, you can get qualified to get more, every single week, right? So what's really cool about this is with this exact program, you could potentially get up to 12,500 in a single week with this program alone, right? Now, obviously, this isn't any sort of guarantee saying, oh, if you join this, you'll start earning this amount, this crazy amount. Obviously, it really comes down to what you're willing to put into it. But as long as you're willing to, if you have a strategy and you're of course consistent with it, then you could absolutely have great success with this program. And this is one that has been blowing up, as of recent, and a lot of members have been seeing great results with this exact program. But let's move on to the second affiliate program in this list, which is called the 6-Figure Mentors. And this is a program that's been around for quite a few years, actually. I think since like 2016, 2017, not entirely sure, but they've been around for quite a while, and this program has been doing very well ever since, right? So with 6-Figure Mentors, essentially what you're getting is you're getting access to training, training and mentorship that shows you how to build a successful online business, right? So if you are someone that wants to learn how to grow a profitable business online, and you want something, if you want to learn how to, build something that will be for the long term, and you want that, one-on-one coaching, then this is one program that I would highly recommend checking out, because they go really in detail in terms of how to build your business up properly, right? So here it goes over exactly how the program works, and if you scroll down a bit, this goes over their different membership options right here, right? So you've got the student membership, which is free. That's another benefit with this exact program. So this is one of those very few high-ticket programs out there where you could actually get in for free. And then they have some upsells in the back end, like you have the essential membership, which is $99 enrollment fee, and then afterwards is $97 per month. So with this, you could also earn residual income as well, which is really good. And then you also have the elite membership, which is a $2,500 package. Now, what this means for you is when you bring in someone and they, of course, buy into the elite membership, that allows you to earn commissions of at least $1,000 per single customer. And also, they do have some other higher-end programs inside of here as well, different other upsells. But, these are the main ones that they have listed here, right? So I have seen members earning commissions a lot more than this, but this is just the main three membership options that they have right inside of here, right? So they have some, a lot of really cool testimonials here that you could check out, and then they have videos down here from the creator of the program, Stuart Ross, where he explains what it's all about and what benefits are involved with the SFM program, right? So this is a bit of a unique program that I would recommend checking out. But let's move on to the third on this list, and this is a really cool, a bit of a newer affiliate program called TextBot AI. Now, what's really cool about TextBot AI is not only can you make really good money with this program, but also the actual product itself can be used to grow pretty much any business that you're in right now, right? So if you are in some sort of business opportunity right now at the moment, this is a great offer to have as a complementary solution, because this is pretty much like, well, think of having an email autoresponder except for SMS marketing, right? So rather than following up with people through email, you could also follow up with them through mobile phones. So you collect, phone numbers, and as you are, building up like, a list with mobile numbers, what you could do is you could send out text broadcasts to your SMS list, right? So that's what's really cool about this exact program right here, and it's one that. One thing that I want to mention about this program is that they have, hands down, one of the coolest sales presentations that I've seen with any affiliate program out there, right? So they have it presented in this vertical style right here, where the creator explains what it's all about, and it's pretty much set up in a way where ideally, it's better if you watch it on a mobile phone. So what's really cool about this exact program is not only can you promote this with your own affiliate link, but you could also promote this by having people call a number, right? So when you set up your account with TextBot AI, you get your own personalized number where you could send people to the number. You could have them call the number. In fact, if you want to actually try it out for yourself, you can call this number on the screen, 810-213-8869. And this entire thing will walk your members through the entire process, right? So when you call the number, you don't necessarily have to speak to anyone personally. You hear an automated voice that says, gives you instructions on what to do, and then you get instantly connected with the Ava text bot, right? So you get to text with her through text messaging, and then she will send you the link to check out the exact program. And another benefit with this exact program is it allows you to earn instant commissions, right? So with this exact program, you could earn commissions that are $100 instant payments. It just goes straight to your PayPal, your Cash App, your Stripe, your Venmo, however it is that you like to get paid. Or there's also another option here where you can, of course, get paid $500 commissions, right? So with this program, you do need to be qualified at that level in order to be qualified to get those commissions. But as the benefit here is it's all one-time payments. So once you enroll in the $100 membership, you own it for life, and you could resell it as many times as you want, right? So this is not only good in terms of earning potential, but also really good as a marketing tool in general, right? So if you want to check this out for yourself, I am going to include a link down below, or you could simply just call this number right on the screen. Try calling it right now, and then you could speak with the Ava text bot right there, right? So definitely one of the more unique programs out there, and one that I highly recommend jumping on board with, because a lot of members are doing very well with it. Let's move on to the fourth one in this list, which is the Amazing Selling Machine. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not personally into this myself, and it's not something that I could see myself ever joining, because this is more for people who are looking to sell products on Amazon, so this isn't my thing personally. However, in terms of earning potential, this is one of the most generous affiliate programs that I've seen pretty much anywhere online. And with this affiliate program, they're paying you 40% commission on a program that costs $9.87 per month for 6 months straight. So what this means for you is when you get someone into the Amazing Selling Machine, you could earn monthly commissions of $3.98 for that one customer. Or if they buy the program and they just pay the full price up front, you earn a commission of $1,998. So that's like $2,000 that you earn just from that one customer alone, which is quite lucrative when you really think about it, right? So with this exact program, you don't need that many people in order to make good income with this program. One sale alone could be an extra $2,000 per month. And I know for a majority of people, if you're watching this video, how does an extra $2,000 in a single month sound to you? Sound pretty cool, right? So that's exactly the benefit with this exact program right here. But let's move on to the my number one recommendation in this list, which is called Easy One Up. Now, why am I recommending Easy One Up over all the other programs inside of this list? Well, Easy One Up is a program that not only has really great products, really great training in terms of how to build your business online, how to market on the internet, how to do Facebook marketing. They have training about pretty much any strategy that you want to learn online, but they also have a really great affiliate program that allows you to earn instant 100% commissions. So you get paid a commission at the Vertex Live level. That is a instant $2,000 that you're getting, pretty much right then and there, which is really cool. But also what's really cool about Easy One Up is this is one of the very few business opportunities that's been around for many years, and it's actually stood the test of time, right? So typically what happens is, with most other business opportunities, that, become hot for 1 year, usually after like a year or two, they kind of die down and then people are kind of moving on to the next thing, right? But Easy One Up is one of those very few affiliate programs that has been around for about 5 years now, and it's actually still doing very well today, right? So that's why I recommend Easy One Up as the number one recommendation. And look, if you are looking to generate high ticket commissions online, if you're looking to have $1,000 days online or $2,000 days online, then you definitely want to have a program like this in your arsenal, because this will allow you to, of course, generate these types of commissions online. Now, one thing that I do want to mention is that you do have to be at the level in order to, of course, earn that. So if you do not own the Vertex Live level, you cannot earn those $2,000 commissions. And it's pretty much, the whole point is you want to, of course, own what you sell, right? So that's exactly just the one thing that I want to mention. But other than that, Easy One Up is definitely the program that I recommend checking out. And, because you made it to the very end of this video, I've got a really cool bonus that I want to show you that will allow you to promote Easy One Up much easier and actually get results with it, right? So the program that I'm currently leveraging right now is called the Multiple Income Funnel system right here, right? And this is a marketing funnel that allows you to earn from up to 4 income streams. And let's see, so the Easy One Up and TechSpot, which are the two other programs that I showed earlier in this video, they're both inside of here, right? So you could either promote Easy One Up or TechSpot standalone if you want to, or you could simply plug into the Multiple Income Funnel program. And what you could do is you can go up to links up here, and you could leverage these capture pages that are already built for you. You send people to the the sales video, and these this entire funnel right here does all of the explaining and telling for you, right? So you don't have to go out there and build your own sales funnels if you don't want to do that. You don't have to create your own videos if you don't want to do that, because the videos inside of here do all the explaining for you, right? So when you send someone through this exact program, they will need to go through all 4 steps. And they'll need to, of course, set up their income streams. And when they buy any of the income streams right here, you will get commissions for those programs right there, right? So that's the benefit with this exact program. And just to give you an idea, there are tons of members inside of here, not just veterans, but also people who are completely brand new, who have never before made sales online, that are actually getting results with this exact program, right? So check this out. I'm not sure how to pronounce her name, but I still cannot believe it. Sale is a fact. I didn't know anything about online marketing. So check this out. This person didn't know a single thing about online marketing, and even she was able to get her first sale with this exact program. You have tons of more members showing their results. You've got Susie that made two $20 monthly residual incomes right here, which is very cool. You have Mac Mills doing some sort of like update in the Facebook group. You have Lori getting her first, or getting a commission paid out from eWallet, which is pretty cool. And you got a ton of other members in here that are showing phenomenal results with this exact program, right? So what's really great is not only are you earning from the program itself, but you also have 3 additional income streams inside of here. And also, if you decide to join this program through my link down below, I do have some really cool bonuses to offer you. And this is specifically for when you decide to come in to income stream number 2, Easy 1-Up, at the Vertex Live level, so that is the $2,000 level. I've got some really cool bonuses for you that really help you get results much faster and shorten the learning curve. And the very first bonus that you get access to is personal bi-weekly coaching. So if you need that additional guidance, if you want that continuous support, then this bonus right here will of course allow you to get that right there. You of course ask questions, which is really great. The second bonus you'll get is you're going to get access to the YouTube selling system. And this is the exact strategy that I'm actually using that has allowed me to get my very first breakthrough online, right? So one of my biggest traffic sources I use is my YouTube channel, and which, if you've been following me for a while, you know that's no secret. And this is one really great traffic source that I use to generate high quality traffic online. And it's what's allowed me to start getting sales with not just this program, but other programs that I've been in as well, right? Bonus number 3, you're going to get access to the Facebook ads training. So if you want to learn how to use Facebook ads without ever having to worry about getting banned, that's what this training will go over here. Bonus number 4, you'll get access to the massive traffic formula. This is a very powerful strategy by a 7-figure earner known as Paulo Brosso, and this is his method that he uses to get high quality traffic with solo ads. So bonus number 5, you'll get the massive ManyChat profits. Think about having an email autoresponder, but specifically inside of Facebook Messenger. That's what's really great about this training right here. So the open rates with Facebook Messenger is a lot higher than emails, which is really great. Bonus number 6, you'll get access to the Ultimate Facebook Chat Mastery. And if you want to learn how to do organic Facebook marketing, if you want to learn how to connect with people one-on-one, if you want to learn how to build up a following on Facebook and learn how to create content that gets people to, of course, reach out to you in Messenger and actually buy whatever it is that you're recommending, that's what this bonus is, of course, really great for. You'll also get access to some email swipes. You'll learn hypnotic storytelling, the most important ingredient for success. And also, my friend has this really cool ebook called How to Create a Crystal Clear Vision for Your Future, right? So this is everything that you're going to get access to when you decide to enroll through the link down below, and you can start with the second income stream, Easy 1-Up, at the $2,000 level. Anyways, hopefully you got lots of value in this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and take care.